Coming up on today's Panther Beat.
Why sophomores are getting a day off.
And the MLK Legacy Club celebrates a night at the museum Black History Edition. Your Panther Beat starts now. Hello, I'm Ben.
And I'm Claire, and this is your Panther Beat for Friday, March 19th.
Tuesday, April 13th is SAT testing day. Seniors, this is optional for you. If you'd like to take the test, contact Miss Appel ASAP.
Juniors, this is a mandatory test. All juniors, both remote and in person, must report to the Smiley campus.
Sophomores, take the day off. You do not have to report to class on April 13th.
Freshmen, report to class as usual.
Seniors, now is your chance to select the class of 2021 senior personality categories. Log into Blackboard, go to Organizations, then Senior, and take the survey. The survey ends at midnight tonight. Once categories are selected, you will nominate senior personalities and prom court through Blackboard.
Because of the worldwide pandemic, Blizzard will be virtual this year. Juniors and seniors, consider serving as an MC. Check your school email for the application. Applications should be turned into the Smiley main office by March 26th.
Spring break is right around the corner. To help you relax, stop by the IMC to pick up some R&R goodie bags. Ask about ways to celebrate National Reading Month to get a bonus gift. Remote students can email the IMC to participate. Goodie bags are available while supplies last. Happy National Reading Month.
Freshmen, do you need help with your homework? Stop by the Academic Assistance Center after school. Visit the AAC webpage to sign up. Now let's pass it over to your Panther Sports.
Hey O'Fallon, I'm Sam Hayes with your Panther Sports. Congratulations to our boys bowling team. Our boys went 10-0 to win the Southwestern Conference with a 1,102 team average. The team set an IHSA record with a 3,459 team series. The team also took home the championship trophy in the Southern Illinois Shootout. Our Panthers are led by Zach Lechkar and Aiden Keene. Our boys soccer team kicked off their season with a big win over Belleville West. Our Panthers lost Monday's home conference game against Belleville East in a shootout after a score of 2-2 and tied Collinsville on Wednesday with a score of 2-2. In volleyball news, our Lady Panthers lost a close game to Modern Day. The team is returning 9 seniors and looking to bounce back against Belleville West on Tuesday. Football is back. Our varsity football team hits the gridiron tonight as they travel to Belleville East to take on the Lancers. Boys tennis hosts open court sessions on Thursdays. Be sure to register on Family ID. Contact Coach Toman with questions. And finally, congratulations to Model UN. The team enjoyed a victorious showing at the virtual conference. Congratulations to Kristen Zimmermeyer, Alex Carmichael, Noah Reed, Nick Kokenauer, Lucas Gibson, Alexander Carroll, Catherine Gold, Sophie Robinson, Kate Lauer, Braden Gunther, and Kate Wexwell. That's all for me. Now over to the birthdays and Go Panthers.
Hey O'Fallon, I'm Kaylee with your birthdays. Celebrating on Monday, March 15th was Jonathan Bittner, Peyton DeMont, Jamie Engel, Quinerius Harris, Seth Jordan, Josie Potter, Olivia Prothero, and Dominica Scott and Trevor Stollard. Happy birthday for Tuesday, March 16th was River Clark, Mario Espinosa, Alexander Gaden Bauer, Max Hansen, Natalie Collis-Smith, Matthias Leisure, Ella Little, Ethan Nelson, Evan Schneidler, Michaela Sewell, Journey Thompson, and Octavian Wilson. And a special happy birthday to Mr. Goodrich and Mr. McDowell. Celebrating their birthday on St. Patrick's Day was Kylie McKinn, Devin Miller, Isabella Miller, Caleb Randolph, Prabnor Singh, and Wesley Thompson. Happy birthday for Thursday, March 18th was Lucy Carney, Keegan Coleman, Bryant Coley, Nathan Cooper, Marcus Hansen, Ian Maxiden, Skylar Maxwell, and Calvion Peltier. And a very special happy birthday to Mr. Bai and Miss Kelly. Now over to Dylan with the weekend birthdays.
Hey guys, it's Dylan with your Panther Beat birthdays for the weekend. Birthdays for Friday, March 19th are Antonio Allen Jr., Riley Armstrong, Garen Carner, Madeline Sprouse, and Riley Eaton. Birthdays for Saturday, March 20th are Alexander Anderson, Robert Cheney, Julian David Wright, Riley DeWitt, Sean Frick, Ian Schilling, and Ethan Cotran. Birthdays for Sunday, March 21st are Kyla Greenlee, Justin Peterson, Chloe Smith, and David McCarter III. That's all for me. Now over to your club news.
Join the MLK Legacy Club for a night at the museum Black History Edition. Join via Zoom on March 20th, March 26th, or March 27th. Members should submit their videos for Black Expression Celebration to Dr. Porter by April 5th. Interested in learning more about the MLK Legacy Club? Arion Hart tells us how you can get involved.
Martin Luther King Jr. was one of the most respected and admired civil rights activists not only in America, but all over the world. His historic struggle for freedom and expression has inspired many people to learn and embrace Black culture. Many people, especially students, have taken up the fight against ignorance and have chosen to celebrate Black culture in honor of the doctor and all of his accomplishments. Well, let's see exactly who those students are. MLK Legacy Club is a coalition of students dedicated to the celebration and education of African American culture. They host a variety of events such as community service, game night, music night, and educational events like their Black Jeopardy and presentation on Kwanzaa. Upcoming events for the club include a rehosting of the Night of the Museum and the Black Expression Talent Expo. And for more information about upcoming events and club news, make sure to follow the MLK Legacy Club's official Instagram page, mlk.legacyclub.
Thanks, Arion. Be sure to follow MLK Legacy Club on Instagram or email Dr. Porter if you'd like to join. That's all for us, O'Fallon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to our Panther Beat YouTube channel. See ya!
Bye.
We should do